irakari y'abantu.
TV irakari y'abantu twakutangira umukasheshekeri izoba umuprogram yitu ishengero wa mukagoru ndi Boaz wa Mongolia tubatangira umwaka musya ogwe2025 ikinyo program yo kubanza ishengero omwaka ogu and ntenda kusima buri umwe ukutaho umwaka musya kandi ntenda kusima ruhanga utubasise tukamara umwaka ogwe2024 tukaza umwaka ogwe2025 turiyo tutera kodi tukuzomukaruka abona ke 2026 elizoba ntwenda kwetegereza ebintu kubera jende omwaka gwe2025 na munonga omubyo butegeki okuchera munonga turi kwetegura karuru akabona ke 2026 karurako tutantora na president tutantora n'abanyishengero tutantora n'abembezi abaza government ebyanga so ntwenda kwetegereza kurigero kuturebera 2025 nekubeta kandi twareta 2026 niho turabe ntuhere ikiganiro cyito mukasheshaka umu studios nyine mwami Moses Nwagaba ni lawyer nyine umwami no wasasira Godfrey Viri naraga mitoma umuruhinda naraga ruhinda north district ya mitoma ati mitoma mwine amashaza ashatu ruhindeha so ruhinda constituency niyo
ya kaino tafiede ruhinda south kabonda ruhinda north
yeah deputy speaker but area karisha za rumwe before okay
Tanisa county na constituency isa za county constituency muri nyakore tikimu
ito ntubara MP
hati kumpumo barajya MP no wahaba because isaza eriruye ninga kashari isaza bari takashari ebya north south iki
so amakurugisha za niki
county
then county ikikuji crowninga kuba county niki
kanisaza
banyamashaza gakarga twine wishaza ati nogirisha za twine wishaza amashaza gakarga ati who is the head
ati John
who is the head of the county
ati John
we don't have a little C4 in Ruyinda
John umpro
C4 za in municipality
John atwagamba nko ako ni nyina ni nyanjura na nahika hariviri ati wagamba nka strange what trespassing program nyine wanyagumzindara umwami amanoro barema naragomu FDC ko nkabari yo bombeka PFF so nunza kumanya yaba barake kutunga pate ekiri nyine umwami tuli nawe John naraga usongora kandi naragomu the National Resistance Movement nwagaba abantu basima bukumara umwaka obaramusiye rero tutandike
nimba kurisiya mwena kuri cyo mwaka 2024 bakwisiye bungi kandi shasha ni imwe bitabirege mazima tukibakunda gume ni tumwaka 2025
ukagumaraje
dinu kubi
okay John abantu bahenda musyo
muriyo ngubere abakoze yabingi tabetere amaniriza especially kuvuga kurungi during the festival season no spending and extending responsibly mwebaye kuko mwaka notakuruka warine sento mwaka ubuhire hata naje kubazi ware atazine na hata nisije kubora hatindwire kalenga taro jamani wabati ni murumu hata mwine bato chobanza tujye mu
why you harshon our people
I'm not harshon anybody I am only saying
ibyo abantu mbashimirira ibintu byabo abo nicyo no bakarizo nzo ku celebrating
kandi batangi njungwe nyina ngo semerwe basingiye government yo musoro wonka tubenda muri bomezi abantu abenshi mukatwara kurungi festive season no abenshi mukavuga kurungi accidents zirabiri ni
thank you
kuba emyaka 10 ukwezi kwa December mukubenda kucherayo accident but now at least abe haroteka konka
thank you
but no makurikira umuntu no mukurikira ikintu kuba kiba kimuri
Hala abantu abene bagera mu 2024 takwa it was a blessing umuntu harwo kwatkuruko mwaka nyungu kurikiye
John lekera abantu conventional wisdom conventional thinking.
I am sorry,
they are comfortable that way.
I am sorry.
Ahubwo ndakuba challenge ngo tini cyo kwenda kuba
kanyo ndi challenge nyo ngira ngo mureke azifu mwaka gube guturiyo maraka. That is not the truth.
Abana batenda musi Obroja hiraka abantu bakuruje
bene bizu bingi mu kwate kwa
John reka amunaga
very good. Wakoze runyankore rungi kutabaruka. Not kuruka. Those two are different.
okuruka kanyana ruganda.
Runyankore rukomanyisa ngo obe uri umuzibu ko muchome wargaye.
basebo nabanyabo mutabacho mwa
kandi butari umunyankore ibiti butari umunyankore byofashe nabi abo kuba kangambe John nabajyangu runyankore wikigaro nyoruto n'urusongora tururu mu murimo rwitu Oyo mukwese bari mu rwitu
yase cyo sasi abahumira umwako guire
Ogwene beti muzanyira. Okay. Viri abantu bahenda musyo.
Niwe MP hadi. Nyangwa kare MP.
Nimbaza no kusima rahanga twasize tukavuma kubuye tukaza mu gihugu kandi akatukumbaze twinamagara abandi aba
Sente zo tarshu.
Sente no kuwatasho kongawo inamagara mazi.
Okay.
Ngaka sima President Museveni government ejero. Jira ngo kwiyaneza
Watandakaje.
Wa umutegeki wa President Museveni.
So to ine byukwitombuita.
Unkahati okusindi kuyatire.
John yegumisereze.
John bazumwongerere
but ekizibu cyaba
No John
kusima government
John anaza kusima
that's why
John anaza kusima buko
banga kusima abantu babulikirwa kuko abantu babulikirwa nuko facility government
okay
ba amon
kare nano mtabona aruko mukumu no mwe mdu mzoma he by the way, you are right.
abantu shanga ngo abantu baferiye freedom city bakaba bindi mwaka wawe kunkweze shabantu ujeje mwaka w'abantu batiretiya kasa abantu barayagara
Fireworks. Utwirisiye no ndijo kusima. Osime no murumuna bo kutebekana Sawires creation.
Operation Sawires creation mena mbiya wiki.
Kare over
Tajo no mukwe.
Omukwe natuyamba okuguza ebintu aheri ihanga. Nababo wezi.
abara yumwe
So virno ha abantu bakureba Sky TV bakumenya.
wasasara ko Freville nkafoma aspirant meya watoke pamukanso mukaruba kabuye ke kwirana na bume kandi hafi ngojire hawa cancer LC5 toke
Okay. Nka Sky TV ntwerezo mugisha n'abana bato abakwimuka nabo batemberara ba Moses, batemberara ba John, nabo bagambese bamanye. So you are welcome. And okugaza cyatureta Honorable Robert Center mucyaguranye arangirire ngunako Simba wa president 2016 that is noop kuya kumurira mu kubasa yajyangwa yitegwire okufesinga General Museveni na Rondijo wena eneremwera lete aba PFF bariyo mbagezeho gukora ikigombe ba Amoni tukuma yamba ko bahereze ndebere bashoza revised roadmap ya Electoral Commission dates zoroho aba ever activity mao ariyo mukugara ko mundagano na General Museveni kureba ngo ebya bitateri byaterera aba UPC ya Jima Kena kajya nako Simba wa president taro kubuza aba Jema abo tukuma hibari na other actors konka koko noreba NRM the dominant political force mu ihanga umhanicho mukuru Richard Todongo na chairman wa Electoral Commission Dr. Tango Doi bora bakajara ngo 2016 cyahwire candidate wa NRM ni General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ijo Haji Yunus Kakande umuhandici went to office ya president akagambira barore abajyango bahagere General Museveni 2016 abo busingire intungukero nyana kutana John Haji Yunus Kakande no mukozi wa government na ijamanya atangu Museveni nako isimbe 2016 na party processes zitakahuire kureta candidate katandikiraho
bari mu icyo kubanza Haji Yunus Kakande na kura amakabu president konka ala level ya permanent secretary konka hamaka wa president mumu kwa government so amaka wa president omuntu owagagomeremu emyaka ejo enye kyasokuba n'amanyi issue eringu ekyakuba n'amanyi ekyo as a belief to public, that's another thing. Because amazima gudu naguma civil servant wakuba civil servant wakurugaya akakora statement tubuza kaniwe wateire harubaju Anderson Buroro uza Anderson Buroro nawe akagamba aspeaker agira ati most tawe nsonge hano na hari bagira ngo public service standing orders
don't permit that.
So hano tsembi kubuza uwe permanent secretary nizumwishiriza and the answer is no. The answer is no. So ekikurete ebyo ni bintu bibiri. Ekintu kyokubanza mu Uganda hati omurumo ogwa halivu ya higuru okugulinda okaba nashuwa ngwine in the next 5 or 10 years. Kuba either oil godfather nalo kuoleka a high level of populism
and loyalty.
So hata aho ebigambo ebyagambire ebyo kimanyisa ngo godfather tamwine uko byagobya mwine takugambira
tubena mwa tumurumu bwaje kaburo ni kwasi hawo ko bahati
achu wano kora president arivo ya Haji Kakande no itaga good father kanya no bori good father yourself
tuya banza ba PPS bakaba wingi abantu bakabanaga bahawa statement abanagera kazo bakali umore kamukamu tamari murunda akari mugambizu actually no yabandize no kutuye office uma bakamujeta presidential press secretary waka just spokesperson of the president kana no public service atali buri umuntu akana mota spokesperson. So for me ekirese ebyo ni nkora yo kugira ngo umukozi wa government kuba guide akagera ati Museveni oye there is no problem
how do you take it in Ghana
mandi ni nyiza akarura kahoire katuriyaho umuntu wo kuruga Masaka
General Brigadier
General tanagambi ibara
Deo
bibyo
Sande Deo
atumura mureka aho ko nyundo ndakunde televiziyo so omuntu weno wakorgayo
command mechanized brigade
and for me that one is not a good sign. Omuntu wena habo ko biwe no waha opinion yawe ekitali omulimo gwawe nikimanyisa ngo ekyo kubo kikora nanyo no bampa platform yoko opinion yanje hatunyo kubampa opinion yanje kandi takusana ne yawe because tikiragiro ngo opinion yawe sana ne yanje. So kubo igura debate you must allow people to debate. Kubo igura box okagiro civil servant nikirizwa kuhagiro wakwenda nari kugamba ha politics ngo kwakwenda hati tokutanga ondi hata icho kigwi kibe kitasimiri kuruga o akakande of all people obchakurigiro mba RDCs there is no problem. Why? Because at that time na sokurga yakija kagera ati yitwe nga office cyo tukuchagira but hata now no fakurgayo RDC akagera byagamba ebigambo byo ne ba reference gira ngo ito tukakorana ugambe. That's number 1. Number 2 hamaramo gwa twetera today nyoni ngira ngo politics zikatandika ekiro echa president Museveni arangira owatura linzire 2025 ali 2026 ugwatura umubi politics za Uganda nizitandika immediately after swearing in owakwenda entebe wa kansara natandika kwemurika owakwenda wa MP natandika kwemurika. It is not like other countries nangwa na hano mu Africa nubarangira karungwa karurunziza katera ameza abiri abantu ba campaigninga bataho bavuga hatalo kwimukiro kenye konka ka Uganda hano abantu bamazire kujusambira mu president omunyu ya message akagamba ibintu bingi muri ebyo akagamba message ye no manyo kintaha kizubu cyanje nawe nagamba as if he is talking to intelligent people.
No so tunagambira bagezi
no so tunagambira bagezi this country is not has very few intelligent agamba aha ensonga kwata muntu wabikiro ensonga yobusuma owa emwani embuzi ente empunu enkoko yabugambo kandi yabugambo kurungi yagamba na habondi ya polisi hata yabantu buri omwana niyagire konka president abantu rigenda bije bamwitegereza ebya kugamba kugira ngo utakomanye kiragiro nikimanyisaki yesterday ubumboino wonyesera hamaramo gunu mbulize regional police nka around 6 of them regional police centers Ruizi, Greater Bushenyi, East Rwenzori, Main Rwenzori ya 40. I asked them kureimurete koroga cyebanza kuko hatebero bene halo honte nembuzi ebibiru mu Uganda 4 days. Why? President ajizera talo bail. Do you know what that means? Hatalo bond ya police ekibeni kibaho ajiva nali embuzi yawe mukije ha police wakusigaye police bond te gamba 48 hours. Nobody was even speeding there 24. So halo corruption ya amani president na amanya ngu teine rate eyo kuhindura constitution nali kuhindura ekiragiro cyona akagera ngu bond te kiro konka we by mayor declaration atambire bintu bingi. Let me give you an example. You come from a conservation area haliyo Lake Mburu nanyo ni ndiga Kasese studio munu we have a person whose name is a wild animal. Now, the theft of wild animals, we have one. he knows himself. Someone in the studio here. We have a wild animal around. Wild animals, obusumu bwa normal the theft of wild animal. Tubakweta obusumu mbota poaching. Obusume cha mazire huni binte number 1 numusuma na amanya kuba jo mpaka. Mbata kumtera masasi bamwitira. There is no law against that without. There is no law that allows that. Hello. Number 2, halo omuntu obakwata nerino lyenzozo nalo bakamukwata n'oruhu rwengo ngo bamuha bonde nali beiro ngo baraka kubimuha batyo. Abantu bamazire kubamanya oyitwa seso ukabahiji bakambaragaza kitagwiruguru mu nsozi baje mpaka kuhiga. Why don't they go there? It is because they know either even if you don't lose life kuba bakukwata oboraje ha police tubo tubakucha na police mbakishamba kutwara umukoti. So age system president declaration ya kozere hatuli 4 days ntuja kumara na wiki yona mu Uganda yona batakibire nembata. For me I congratulate him. He did a very good thing.
Umwaka maybe abaletana wareba aba cyagonyanya nyabona kwisimba aba inari mu bagambera president wetu chikoreka mutu muri prepared well enough 2025 ni abarereshereza bezi yaje n'umuchome kandi ari key stakeholder mobilization.
Munga bwana Mgreta kumanya okukibala wagamba preparation the measuring the weighing scale ya preparation. Ugandans are prepared and they are prepared along 2 lines. It does not necessarily mean ngum chilete chamu zito kwa prepared. 2, it's a electoral commission and it's winner. Lele chawe ngana ko kuna chigambira ngo they are divided along 2 lines. The 2 lines is another new to another new. Baba ni Uganda tiba kino kuza kombisina ngo yeze bowaza taruna mayana na kamani ga tabuja. Abintu bacha kuweza kuza gomukaro luka Uganda okukari kona. No kongera kusenjiro mbani. Ita kufunga wile bwo kuja mkuziba hele tati. Kwa hiyo tunaweza tibo gamba bale basize mwije ngo ndoba kwa hiyo na buyo na buba bwije naza abute haza wamwe abura kurebi ya John kunkate mukani binala function izo bakuzamu itakuzo katera tia gari yo no hura yes no hura bakuza nankanda yetu ya nsoma amusega nakukara ahaba be bond na be zaba shuma obwa tuyo mwana bwa bulebe but in another section ya political prisoners abantu 10 na mwendo wa bari mu nabaheza na ka prerogative prerogative sote so nubo bagikoze ninga tokusima nokora omushango ezesha otera wild animals neme orwitama tumara kumutera okuteka ngwini kimpo. One time I challenged some OCCID bweni yangira akakwasira omwana munyana wange mbuyana lesenjai. So I said fine, meeting zokumakana yakwambire ndakireki dawa unkato stores za polisi nombora nenjai akafana bweshati nza kakasanda ngo imurese imwanyereka niyo ninge dibige tuliyo
before trust intoxication is no pemo
no besiga ubiyagambira ngo ko yubakika polisi uwatabaza abona event akusigayo wakata mwesiga because government itself negambira ngo polisi enunguzi openly government egambira ngo buli hitari official police babanze barwanira n'umuzi bariya. The rate is low then. And then, ekokwetegura to me, najya mu Uganda are prepared. Because ntibamenye niba nkajya mukibaza kigamba ubu mwana wari kusoma ibyo recap y'umwaka ubuye nkakwereka drop out rate because it's clear ngubwo umwaka bakoze lesine ya mutaga bakatandika umpi wano bali milioni 1.8 na musanzu lesine ya mutaga haitira 1.14 n'abantu mwe so abantu milioni 1.8 ibyo bakubira kutugambira cross ngo mwaka mbato mu kabuzo kati kubu
uri bavuga boda boda
actually in the bail. But you know, in the police form, in a bail by the police. So if you bail, you have a police, you have a police form. Kira constitution ingane nyawo n'ugaye umuntu kushaba bail.
Ushaka kwemerera.
Atko yanisha to akamukaga atko 2368 yamu omuntu we n'ukwatwa ari n'ubugabe kushaba ki bail tebugira ngo yacamba tekubujuma
obugabe no kugishaba
ubugabe no kugishaba rero bareba ugishemerire nayo bagikora so na police iye kubanehereza ne bail
so discretion ryo mu mishoga ya OC
ijira umushango gwemerire
brief discretion rero miso ga executive aussi une executive
burigero umushango tutine consideration za bail ombere is not where executive is happy or not if the consideration is really the gravity of the offense
cyangwa no gwemera gute
urubanza ruremera okay itakari hariho danger ubwo umuntu yaye kubakaga komba hariho possibility
harakabi
kugira ngo iki icyo kugira ngo akoze nazaga
narabantu bamwite
umwana ajya
abuja ngo bamurwire icyakashaka nabasa kuteganisa witnesses
nkateganisa abajulizi
nkateganisa
ari miskini za example
abakwemba mu mesereza
abakwemba mu mesereza nabasa kubita kwata bavuzeho naza kujya ubujulizi naza kushirika ubujulizi agenda kwa ko mu office wena mwamuri kurakagara kayo naza kushirika ubujulizi hariho twetenga okusakinga hariho obujulizi obutukwenda oweye nokukora saki nari mu office yabire namnarahabire turahabire twamurekora naza kugera nawe ushirika
mwene kuya nko bashangira obucumu bwo wameje wabira kuza ku representing abesije bwa PFF
na atezo nizo considerations za yo president agambire waragira abapolisi akwa abapolisi bari hansiye they form they are part of the executive police and the department
government
ya rwagati executive wabaragira cyo gukora kuko abapolisi bino kuweyinga ekikina umuntu kunamwime bondi nakwatawiki na kikabire kirungi kuno yangu abatabahire bondi ka constitution no kwegamba omushana na munana babatwara umukoti activity kuko abantu bacererwa kai umupolisi bakamara mwe sande esandi ibiri ubu abantu batobugabe bwabo constitution n'icyo so no wamwima bondi konko mushana na munana mutwara umukoti abo kuko kumwima bondi akiko umukoti ashaba peyo kandi aho president ayikiriza mwe bya koti tariyo takuragira mwe bakwimire bondi
nabafundiza
wale bakwimire bondi kandi gishemeye muri kuya ko mukoti iroko shabe beyo cyukwi konka kwa kwime bonda washika no mukoti bakwima beyo misa muniwe mbi ukireba ko barakwime bonda police kuti yakwereza beyo iroko tawo hoze no
taro chances ngo abantu blanket wise twajangu tariho police bond ba osi mbabasa kuchabusinga ako ba now for how long police wana kumanya ngo hati nubwire cyo bumuntu ashimye kumara
icyo ragiro already kiruho it is there the law is already there
omushana namana twatomaze kuchondoza
ishana na mndana
twatomaze kuchondoza former IGP akasha bere sande yona
kano ayinokandika ikiregiritse ibigambo bya IGP ya notro we atware proposal
on parliament
nawe ye kali proposal
atware ekitenso cyo mwishingiro kucererabamo barakora constitution amendment akweje na amendment constitution ne ngira ngo n'urukwatwa atko yabinisha tinga ba personal liberties ngo umuntu we n'urukwatwa kwatwarwa kai ha police atarenze shana na munana ataka twirwe kai umukoti kandi barakiyemo na exception ngweje no weekend amagachi ukora rino wamkwata urwa katana umwazi umtwara koro takobana uko kwanza umukasheshe umuchezeka ibyo kugira investigation zika wiye investigations basakorwa umuntu yakiro mukoti ko mukoti bari ngenda kucyondoza haro option y'unyanga umuntu amaza gusimbuka
arumanda nari bakwebe
zo prison rero kucyondoza kumizemo kandi cyereje kikeka cyangwa umushango gwaguri utakuremera utarwana ko arumanda no marehero igene kinani bibi kucyondoza
nkaroya batwereza nkaroya batwereza
kaga ne yaba capital offenses nkaga then igene kinani
nkaroya batwereza ebintu kubushimye kutambula kunga nko munye Uganda ngo wabiroho owe byo kwirinda president to kureba ngo ayine buzu wariyo nagonjora by that
kumonjora kaki mbiyagamba just umusekeza asave ebero 30 omukazi akabona akatugunya umwana kira asato na chumo yida kabari asato na chumo y'icyo polisi yamukwatira kabari kibanza yamuta Kampala ebero 3 bamutera imyaka 40 process y'ebero 3
twine conviction
pine conviction na sentence na conviction na sentence so polisi kuba ekora omurimo gwayo
That way.
that way ukaiza hano ngo John oyibirende y'umuntu obujulizi bulo nekiro kichoka kana no fero yawo kana bagisanctioninga bakakunanga so ekintu kya bond kabe kari kaderesa ka abantu abasuma kukoraganira na polisi aba polisi kutunga sente na abasuma kuguma beserekeremu omuntu akagera ati ndakora ki konka yo kuba polisi eba steady egakora umurimo gwayo we don't need bond.
Moses, President Arina Turhura by this declaration nkafoma RDC.
Well, ati noyeka head of executive kandi watoyinwa abanye intelligence agenda baganizwe ubuhingi n'ubwiza ati nyumba fubere ati wena ronda political solution his interest is not the legal solution wena ronda politics najya tata abantu banje kababa bo kutakaburizo ba ati kuri kandi abakurekura abashuma baye ngo n'abapolisi ati mwe bataruka no kireba okuyo kireba kutereza ati John yagamba umukazi wa kungi she was convicted on her own plea
Akaichereza.
wakoreta omukoti bakushomera charges you take plea but you don't take plea ngo izo batina ati umwanya gutana guti oyine nakana rutamwine mukakore iki niki bakujya ngo you plead guilty no ikirizo mushanga wagera ngwe nkoko mukazi yagize koti leragirwa okusente okonvictinga kandi gakekakora sentence is immediate konka wajya ngo I plead not guilty hat some area criminal procedure code act
akiri yo gwa bese jo guba
Nanyala no gabuhindere dene vero izere chuma.
akuno ureba twaza mulongarira
No, we are coming in the second hour. We are coming in the second hour.
abo kwa unaniyoza now His Excellency the President.
Konka hano tosubiri kwija kwebuza hano noija ngo kubuze
Endera Moses.
His Excellency the President. Kana dini nguzo President mkamaji. His Excellency the President. Gamba ubuye bwo akono yakwasire a leader of opposition. Nyine ka inetwa tushubira washinga gamba mu
Ejo ncho turagarikire after this break.
yasha tunakimwe. Katurinze atuka besije za kumugamba uki.
ye video mukoro
Okupretending utakumanya.
Usharkamu.
ahora abantu jonna yakora twara mi
Vi.
which code
Omwaka gutandikire. Tugutandikire. Iwe ori mu politics. Echo kureba ngo noza kuba excited about omwaka guniki.
Niza no kubanza no kusimba na president ngaga ni musimba. Ijo speech ye yagambye. Ije ririmo abantu muho tugamba ho ebye bonde yakoze. Ijo urege scenario bireho mu toteta umukanzo. Yina abashuma batuye ni biba baza polisi babaha polisi bond bagaruka mu cyaro babibirege mbuzi hati bibeyo ndijo ubwo aba batiremo amani bagenda bibeyeye
Bachumara kutwara shitanga cyakari batwara mushe.
Cyakarato wabakomesa wagamba amubakome ngo bakome wabaye kuba ba polisi bond bija batware iyo
ya muzi
yo owamari so ijo president Museveni kwiyagambira mu speech ye yo kwendera umwaka iya polisi bond Chibanza ibyo scenario aba bashuma bagaka bakora iki bija babakwata imbaza no mwisimana na AIG Mole mukura police post ya Tochi town council sitakutangaza tubara mirongo bakabakwata zirikaze ndashanga mushanju bakayika polisi ne kora kine batwara nkai itoma ataho nisimana
President
aho jya gukora karagambere ejeje kwiyo polisi bond bakanazaga babakomera aho mcyakare bakora ki babarekura so na nijo bu recent mbere ni impurugu person wa polisi na ajikonera polisi bond
na minister musazayize ngo icyo kikiri
so agize kikiri so ni ndeba
2025 abahingi baza kuganirwamo
ababa kuyibo mani abo kuyiba imbuzi abo kuyiba mpunu abo kuyiba
so ombye butegeje violence ejero kwata by'abantu batungira ejo for now turi nka bino mbazi then violence ya karuru primary za NRM muzuri zitera code
ati by'akaruru bya 2025 kwa karuru halonde by'urwaye abo kuba nintegateye ko muntu umutezi w'akaruru we no kutera karuru naza kureba umuntu uri kubakora kandi kugira ngo nituge kugira ngo umuntu no wa NRM ngo utakora ngo babe barubaha akaruru abo jya no wa NRM niwo umutezi w'akaruru uyu no kureba umuntu uri gukora noha so turagire ati ninza kuri sange example cya Ruhindanosi tukahirwa nimbaza nasima ntanga kushanga twine
MP wanyino
MP Deputy Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Taiba abantu ecyakuriye abantu ba Ruhindanosi umusima kandi ntegateka n'umuntu uri nako kwije mu karuhuko ka 2026
no good father wa
zima na waka ugiye kushaba karuno basana n'abantu bakugambira ngo ati icyo kwenda kukora ki Deputy Speaker cyata tukuriye iki so icyo kinkugira umunyarwanda wena ngo wa mitomo
tukuba scenario ya katoro bwa manakeni ukena katesa ati ntenda kuri
okurana nabaza umuntu kugira ngo
kadaga ko speaker ya kabiri
ningashe umuntu wa rundo umuntu orije kuyamba akacengira life yawe ninga life y'cyanga cyawe ya community yawe so nicyo kinkugira
umwaka wa 2024 ibyo utakunziremo ibyo kwenze bitabo mu 2025 ni nkache if any
according kare kwatirine na politics many mpigaba abantu ba opposition mugenzi wanje reka tukuratira amateka abu president arakubatire
nagabwira nagukire
negira ngo
ashwire
nyoko nuwesho
konkata kuzamura urukiko rw'ikatarumiye
cyane batagira mu rukiko
so nataro wa
ngo hano ekungana ngende mu mateka kandi yotijaje uti aha twenda twese twenda twingana anywe niza kubikora abo nshonga nyine so reka tukuratira amateka gatwisakinde gukora kwandi twenda abo ko ni manya we 2021 kanye simbe n'abashaka bakuru abo meya toche kokani ni sima toche rero toche tino guteka abo kubanga kunabenye sime nabo kunga abo nyankambi umwana kunabenye njanaza mkungushanga twatu atujyana
so ni ukoreba ngo uri umwana
baya bande kunga ngani nyobwana ubwanje kugira ngo
kobe bakango kangana
oba physically young but mentally old
okay
shanga ndumuto kunga bintu bya politics ningo umuntu kumanya
but no gaitiriza ngo kuri yo mwana
cyanga cyeye mbasa ikije kintu ni
John 2025 cyaguranyije unanda kwesimba pate kwera muhereze kadi abenje mbajya ngo nuko kwera kutegeko cyaguranye that is a given card nagitunga NRM abagambira president abingi bamuhamizi ndijo akabari dominant force ne BSG ari umuchomi Moses ya concerning president ombinte byone byagambiro BSG akamutera contempt card tiyamurebo. How is it going to work out? Ogumwaka guri serious wahura mucyaguranye yimucere nyuma bayenaremo. What do you see?
Webale muno. Ati aba handlers ba president ni nyenda kubahiga kubagambira ngo prime time ya new year ter prime time ya old days. Prime time when the president should speak to the country cannot be 8.
Saivi.
So kwa saivi muno president na gambiri on new year eve it is not possible.
70% y'abantu bari yemenye.
Including him. Nojanga kajuru abena arora abena nasoma ana. Taradindi because ni basi president akagamba. Baka batalo president sawa new year message gihe between samwenda na 10. Abantu bari gabato church bari omukano bari ya lunch give your message. Ebya sahi biri ntwigana babayinga mugano muhe president akagera
Nari
ataro
yomubabaji.
foreigners aba bintu bakupa ebya Kenya nirenda kubireta hano mwatajya message nata kigambira
You're not foreigner.
musa kandi
But this is not a foreigner.
So, president akamugamba no he's the handlers Moses Byarhanga team TPS and others president ebindi biro byona nagamba prime time ne manywa sahi biro no problem konka Faruk Chirunda and team New Year Eve message New Year message ya 31st abantu bari ono bajja omu makanisa already bagireyo kusinza no kwakira omwaka abali mu mabara abali mu matawuni tukutoka speech president you were just lying hatogu asomere obusasi aha social media because president akana omusijja omusango guli mu court kitakuja kugamba into date konka kajara ati haloho elements zenda kukora ebyakozerwa Kenya kandi bali sponsored by these groups kandi bana kabagamba so nyowe 2025 ntekereza first of all ningira ngo twino mugisa ipenga NRM we have a very weak and divided opposition very weak and divided
who has divided it
whoever even if it is us no jangu hatukubogira ngo NRM ni divided tukihakana itukanda kuba NRM ugira capacity yo kudividinga nari kunafuya opposition kana kitu njye manyisa ngo tukora tubantu niba biri burungi mu tubantu bumanye no wakoba na headinga ejo program basemino kumongera rank habo kuba ngusukusiri ko muri mugoyi our role is to by the way our role is to weaken the opposition it is not strengthen them it's not our business so opposition buri omwe
kanya turentombeka Uganda
kandi Uganda kujyombeka Uganda manje
Bo bari ya Uganda aba.
no abantu abakutungire nsobe ebitekerezo byabo birungi no sobora kubito munkora only when uri muntebe otari muntebe gahwe ibitari muntebe you just giving a passive opinion so itwe ebyito bitwenda gukora muteko kubikora tuli muntebe kuba tubatakwenda kubikora amiri kuba tabatuli muntebe no twakuba tuyitekerezo birungi bita no kuba twakuba tuyine electric trains kwiruka kachi we cannot achieve anything unless we are in power. So kuguma mu ntebe nikitagisha ngo opponent wawe ubanza umutaharwaji kandi tugingira tukozere successful now echa kabiri bitwe nka NRM ombintu bisibiri ko batakold ni electoral commission yitu habo kuba ebizigo bitantu tugera on primary zitu ni bajira last election it was Tango Doi so Tango Doi wara chaloho ngel hata talo covid akaruru nuko mugongo nukahwera dakika 30 akaruru nukaho akabarwa results bazitunga Tango Doi ajati mbidetera Kampala arandiro yaenda we shall have the same number of 70 plus independence na akaruru kabimo akavuyo because akavuyo mu constituency ze nyingi nikaleta electoral commission abo kuba abantu bo baba rede kutera lenge manya ba halona bakugurwa manya ba zero mutuma gwabo manya bagendera ha message yeje ya bulimbuza hankondo yayi no mahalo religious and tribal messages in certain constituencies umuntu najupu atubulimbuza hankondo yayi hata bateze bakaruru baba mbuzi na bora mukanto kitero bora ebyo konka abantu umuntu narugomuka ino wakwenda kutera no bwara haka polling station akabiha biho na tero yatera after all ekizibu kiri ngo akaruru ake kamataringa kata aha Tango Doi issue number 3 ninjira ngo ebizibu ebitwine omu Uganda muno especially mutamu yemyaka 5 ni election ya ne diverting programs nyingi za government udicho ngati primary zitu vya kuzitera between okwa 5 no kwa 8 but those months are very critical in planning and budgeting local council zone nzija kwa zilo mkaru ba councilor ba chibuna ba sub county chief ba district councilor technocracy bara bona baba li mkaru kongo ziche ni budgeting and planning cycle okwa 5 okwa 6 okwa 7 okwa 8 okwa 8 okwa 7 budget yaka ile tandaka ahalo binje kusisikara MPs nicyo cyumu okutandika kwa kasatu ba MPs Kampala baje kuma barigaye aba mazire myaka na batakujaye so there is a problem there then twine na problem ya incumbence stroke candidate hati president Museveni najya kuguma ari president nangwa no gwaka atali habalo tupaka 2025 kwa katano so kandi okwa umunano gwaraba nominated nalo ku 10 still naguma president wihanga now halo emeri mwendi eyasebiri kuba nakora ka president wihanga konko bakudrawinga roadmap ejo roadmap ujucho ngati president utwine nomanya myaka yindi hati president emirimoye nerenga hakubo mwihanga munhonga oyine kumitinga abaheru oyine kumitinga aba investors oyine kujo mu nchiko za mahanga gataragamo na gamwe you have to mediate this and that konko ine rale hati obukale ka obtaine covid buli MP flag bearer nakwendo mu constituency kujya campaigninga no ku campaigningira buli MP we have around 500 of them aba bona kujya kubetorora no yenda ekike muno ebero bikombe bisatu kubogera ngo buli MP amini buli kiro no rabo mu district CV how is that possible ntimanyisa ngo twendo mwaka gona gwa campaign so itwe ningira ngo abantu abali ha ground
okay
especially aba NRM structures banyekundire entwiga babeta kakunu kakuri atwine ali hagati yao no problem ekikuru kya amani nukuchendeza workload ejo from the president echo twachikora tuta is the biggest question the next time nyo muranyita security nyo bakira kunyita nyo njya kubagambira how to decrease campaign load from the president akuri ni merumo yihanga.
Thank you John, I hear you ahanshonga ya timing ya president yana kwa messages umuntu gumwe bakamba kutaho president agana zagamba ishaize nagambira muha karo mpira gwa Manchester United hamwe na Arsenal and I was like ihanga 70% n'eminyeto club zizi kusinge kuforowingwa hano mu Uganda na Arsenal na United bamazana hamwe so mpira gwangu tandaka amaza president azagamba umuntu we nakumshirije speeches ashimye kubanza kureba that sports calendar
okay that day I speech you know gamba ngandi samu hajina RDC tuyondoro mpira
na RDC mukama ogamba
mini kuno jangu ka directive yo kujangu kuno jangu ka directive kugira ngo abantu batarenze shazi tikta na RDC ukamba za kupata katurebe politics this year especially levels cyaguranyeze munanda kwesimba and abamwe jangu nupo kwari kugitegeka taro cyubuze benera mbagudumu abayenaremo bona nubeshongora kuhereza president ebendera nyameza ngo politics a level ya major parties ka surprise kakahwamo ndwantu manyo already obaguza kureta but then okuturazane politics
ko kakarakarabirimo
okuturazane politics ninjano hard debate norebo 2025 because ntwari na nominations
cyo kubanza nujya unavuga ngi ari ubu twakurekera
ngakaye
kaka president katsisirese uza kusinga ndwandu mumanyi ngara tugakenda mukaga tsisirishirize
kanya muntu no mumanya karuka ruko umusinguzi
kurga rukumo wenda cyane na mukaga kuko ruko kwanza umwe narimo urukuza kusinga ndwandu cyaki ntumumanya hate sente z'umuntu wabutosha twose zinki akwana hato kuza kusinga nduyaki
ati wale
kuza kuchebera
so hari umugore n'inshagara
niza kumagera ungatiza mukapeningira
you are the lawyer kanimu mukutaha mateka
na yakiranya kansosora na nitinda mukapeningira ko kani kuchebera abaye n'ubusingi ngago kusosora kwe arindara mukapeningira kumuhereza karuba ninza mukakanje na kweshonero ngu travel tumanya
the winner beforehand
onguza kusinga tumanya kare emari yitu twose yenki
ya kushashurira school dropouts
justification for that hefty expenditure abonye tushisha sente zitu so nyoranya ku rwangu bwangi hatubaka ize ngogo yaraba kunaza zamaranga
niyo taba democracy
kandi democracy yero moyo kujya mu ndeka kwesimba nyenga
niyo democracy
hata turira ba henare mweziwe batugira ngwe nwabuza kwesimba we hata je democracy
no consensus
akagara kakasinga
no consensus
yakari can you have consensus with yourself
Biki call member of party to Yesiba now. I will nominate you. Yeah, that can happen.
No one can politics za Uganda so kesi makaza. Nyo boycott.
That can.
Aboko bati basa kubagensi bomb systems nkezi numbuko butarumagezi.
Nanyo ndio boycott. Hata isimbe no. Abaina ni mtu wa
abayesimbe nabo bo bakabaje bamaguru bakazanye n'abandi babiri
wonka atecho lachenga cyanyire Ndoya na kokori ngo ubwire manya president na let me tell you John hata aba nyine kakutura howeza nyonjwa obunabe muto nyine kakuyabira abananga bakaredio kana bana cheka tasho tatakanganiza tumshije radio kawaza kujishoko mutu so hati yagamba naje mukana nimurikiza kandi shitaba speech yone yimara konko wita bakoreba speech ya president turubanda mu family yone uko baza ni wakabiri mama urukunza mama nakunda politics nakunda president Museveni wakishatu muri nanjye namurebera Kampala urari Kampala wakana n'umutawano wanje mukuru atwawe obaza oshahemwe obaza bamurya pata kujya abantu baramureba nareba abantu
bo wanyu
abo
family yone konga handi ko bajyaho sana mungi abantu mbamurora
so yo bomuteka oshazinga iki kiri important now nyewe kintu kikora kiteguye hati politics twazo mu primaries za movements
ako nuko karuru
tukora na atandikire kutamuka yero
zerterea
atakwenda kwese
nunda kogera
John mureke no gabaga muzemo
nyoni woro abaribo bururu nyoni bakaranse banje nabarayi
ukajya no kagera tumuyebaze
itumwebaze te kwa muhagera ubwo ni campaign yingira
ndogo niwe tinguri yankoko ni mputa supu
konka wowe ngo kwasa campaign y'umuganda
alo munondi kandi kali mmanyi
ingambi yomwe kwasa campaign yingira ngo wotaka biri ingambi ngaba sigara
baba
ariyo wa
na
John nakumanye gate kinare neza kubona no wakashati
ikindi kwenda kizabe sije atachichi bine chicha PFF nyedinde member kandi kabiko bamemba kungani nimbanyere mu muntu agira ubugabo bujyaki
you are potential
member for what member for you new kwetinga ngo
kana jang potential member
you byetinga na hata jum chome manya nomhekera kibikinkiri ngo kumta hati masa group ye abamo it will be hard to mobilize hati mkama wa yuko mkirugo buhekera hata bamemba no kuye amo zizambuma
abo no bari buhekera buki
nabo nabahekera baki
hata baba ko wayini kwa kuijomu ayiba kwa mutibire baratu babayeka bagamba ba dressing aburyo mwe bagamba yigu bachikoko wabo ekone kwaye ugande bo kumagubine
amani
hatule Julius Nyerere akajangu we invited democracy without democrats. We introduced democracy without
democrats.
Hatubara bero mwenda karuru akiyanga katereki niyanga tereki dikatukuri icyo kubanza NRM bazige sabantu bayo umurugwa members ba NRM umurugwa umtezo karuru tukwasa kwikiriza NRM kutora dabembeza baro eteka cyergaho kare yazaca kasinga tubwebembeza burungi n'urukweri tugabyingi mwirari nicyo cyumbaze mu kitegereza ecya kabiri aharengo urwa president w'Urwanda nyine ko Urwanda urategeka ihanga enere mwiyonke wanzikirize akaruru kazemu abugwa ko kakaremeza muri hati bakaya najya mutango doyi urukize buriya ikizuba kari amama mbabazi abo movement babo batora nayo bamtera bambinga bamushoza bagaga baronda yindi bamtera bambinga bamushoza imwe problem kamwihera amambabazi that problem kanne
Thank you.
kan tango do ya problem
Okay.
so arengo movement bakore itaro democracy kare bigize umuntu wabutosha abanyumwe bimeze iki.
Thank you.
Arengo national bichireze fair competition kandi bihamahe ombyo butegeki noreba CDF byo kusiganaga
Echara chigamba chi
takagamba gachityo
CDF
aizirengwe bitaro signature hii. You treat them with the contempt they so much deserve. Twagizere?
yes but iwe nyo kugamba romachi kumanyisa agambiriki
aizirengwe bitaro signature
Tereza agambiriki
echatagambiriki
yo katakamuwene nagamba batika muwene nagamba
mbuze byatagambiriki
tika muwene nagamba yo muwe omusanje nagamba
mbuze byatagambiriki
Bereke. Na social media nitaga signature.
takagamba
Sky TV irakari abantu.
Don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile. It's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's now. Baby jelly, hey. Habo jelly, hey.
Please don't make us leave my house.
Hair shampoo, always beautiful, so beautiful. Life is beautiful with wonders everywhere.
Don't be a croco. Say no to imperfections and hello to a new world of wonders. Wonders, always wonderful.
Ekiki? Go wangula. Nsasula emyezi 3 nempangula. Hey! Ha!
Abaye, kubatachi.
Kituufu ensasula emyezi 3 mpangula. Kituufu.
Gwe subscribing emyezi 3 ku package yona gyoyagala. Obafuna Azam TV osasula emyezi 3. Olwana wefunira omukisa ogutabanga wo ogw'okuwangula ebirabo ne Azam TV. Ate si tutoka. Osobola okwetambulira n'ovawo ne free subscription eya Azam TV. Kusana ekirabo semalabu miliyoni 20 mu cash. Bedu nkugambye miliyoni 20. Kati no tulinda weeyongerero ku family ya Azam TV. Ovimbe ng'omulodi. Okumanya ebisingawo noti 3 23 noti 8 mwenda noti obakyalira amaduuka gaffe agakuliraanye. Azam TV, entertainment for everybody.
Tena munugura kwanja mwanyo akamaramu otali rwanira umunugura weza to munugura okongera umunugura nawe iwe kagenda ushaniyo munugura tukunywe tuhamize abo kuba gwine waka wagunywa notere era jigwa ba UNPS ni kukogwa ba Bosi Clinics antereke ya massage services wari kwenda kushubura geresime ya 082 0 kinana na mukaga 35 nange ya 0 kinana na mukaga 35 nwo munugura gukutamise ibindi byona.
Sky TV irakari abantu.
TV irakari abantu twakutangira ubwo n'umurundi edekikana 22 ezara umushayitano zakasheshe turi mu program yiti ishengero batahibanje nyine Moses Nwagaba Leader nyine umwami Nwasasira
Akawaire tukatakata no mwete ntwiga.
Entwiga yakashara entwiga ya Africa nyine umwami Amonero barema nyine tonawe John na nyine Boaz wa Mongolia. Amon, one of your big people mobilization ya opposition ari umuchome next appearance ni Tuesday Ebromushanju hatu no muhandoringa muta umushija wanyu akine enjegera ahamaguru then karuka ariyo ngatera kodi abandi bariyo mbatambura. Are you not about that?
Halo akawahabia mkacha. Umusida wabo mobilization akantu because in 2021 he withdrew completely opposition ekatunga ubururu bwinji milioni 3.7 nemtwaro nkaga ekatunga 37.5% ekatunga ba MP 5 mkaga batakatunga. So tuya ba mobilizing because he had reserved himself. I thought I should bring it in.
You see Johnny nakonde bisiskire rizoba yari yamuramwa guma konkayagurwa kare. One abo kutugambira parliament obyabera mobilizing ekekwingana ki. Because no tunataka kwenda kufura debate. One nagambira ngo Ugandans bari mobilized.
Ntonge cyaje no takakirigireho wajya ngo parliament bureke n'abantu kwingana ki. Turiyo tugamba absolute numbers. FDC mukamwe MPs bati deep bakaba
barubanga
so
no barubanga
wabagitira hamwe bona in absolute numbers bakaba yabo
akayine listen
John tiyashiga mu percentages
listen akatwabanza na MPs ana nomwe twine members ba parliament yona 289 hatwine banga
anduwize mobilizer anyway must he be
konkanyo nagamba absolute numbers.
And to take an example 2016 mbona barabiro ngogo kuyatsigama chine constituency yakuzamu ukashanga MP atakwenda kuzamu motoka nawe ningana motoka whether is on a ballot whether is not on a ballot
amashaza kigini
hii necho nochuza because Ugandans bono bamanye ebyabagambiro. I told you sometimes back when you were 99 omwaka gwakozere kya mukaga 99 2000 the cost sharing on universities ekerugiramo. So you either shwaka inenta yuguza oza makerere ningo za chambogo ningo za diploma yo kubasa tuzirona ko yagambira education ya makerere where he quoted Mr. Museveni nko kwita makerere kugira ngo takujuma akashomera Dar es Salaam bayongera numbers z'abana mu universities kugira ngo akalimakuza yo kocha ongero
ekeri choice.
I don't care. Yagamba mshoro abantu bajimanya. The good thing with the mobilizer nko amweta the issues he talks about nzikwata abantu babulisha because bwana moderator n'abakutureba n'abaturikiriza ko ari ikinde cyabere kikubona aboneso mu Uganda no mushoro and best kara kugwabire gushoroza ubu no wagabayine mparana na boazi na mbuze buzo binji atiko watu mushoro mitwari 10 mse nyuka tinde kinyina reba John no size inenenteze amutsabe mitwari 5 atiza gushoroza garaka gutamu sente nyinji.
Now this is a diminished man omwaka gwe 2025.
Who tells you?
Diminished ahabwa emishango yine diminished abo kwimuka kwa Kyagulanyi. Diminished abuja ngo Museveni ati dominant.
No kujanga tulia air. I would have aired it out the way I wanted to air it out. But let me save it. But you may call him a diminished man. Mama abanyankore bajangwa tamwina ati mwikarire tugende. You tamwine ni kujaki?
He is a spent force.
You may call it that way. Konkecho etinkumanya. Uri yukwe kuri yetingire bizibo mbora abugane. Abiya yambire bakaza university. Abiya yambire batatsikwatirwa mushoro. Kagambira story the same parliament. Eyimo anko wanje yanyesera ngutumutware agane na tiza besiji. Ndakumecha kwenda ganira nawe covid.
Ogunwera
akangira ati wayina remba
ogunwera ring point yanje.
Akangira ati akatuyamba umusoro. Nkate ji covid ibo kutije ngo tuzomu 12 karito na tawiri rumbi bome.
Ogunwe center wa mobilization konkari yo muchome.
But icho kuba muchome.
How do you use him?
You see
on 2025
atejo echirunji arobutu batiriya all sense aha batugambira okusigensigo but haye example cyo mu yakari kano mwenda kulemera akore ebijeno Museveni akora hari wowe nka umwanya so kuba yesire ba kidikoni zibona bijya bayikaho so kuba kirasha yaranchi uri akakwata John haza niwo wanda bizotitamo motoka tugende ubwo kwata ugati ni final akendera atembera kaboda kuzomuraro kutunga chamsha. So the good thing with with the one okweta spent force
nani mbuza
akasiga yakora
nani mbuza
uri akasiga yatendeka abaramobilizing batahibe abo batahibabo.
Where is that?
Because I have told you.
Where is that mobilization?
I have told you, the world, the country is divided along two major lines. You are
and what?
You are
and what are your chances? What are your chances?
Na no go kujya tkunga karutin kesiga na wasigare you cannot touch mutura because wakaruta kugira ki kandi warije ubundi mwana naza yishomero because twarubutwe tukuganaho ngakigambira waha umuzira akaza mere hiro kuba mihiro mwanyu museni yabona yashashure myaka mukaga hataka mihiro mwana naza nakora je buzo bamutwara umuhaya kungaza zote imyaka mukaga because tukugaguriyo manya kandi bakajaje
amone concern
kunga kari yobo wazi akugira ngo reko mwana babanza umuruke ndende none topinge so ogwo washashure myaka mukaga yaja turiji ni ukaze nyuma yo kugira ngo mwena muri mere hiro nubururu
amone kibuzo cyanje kirikiti nko wa PFF toine political party toine proposed candidate na no wakubiraraho nka chief mobilizer ari yo muchome juxtapose NRM ine party
ogogo yakuruga
wait bene party bene roadmap ya primaries bene proposed candidate
two
wachireba
we have two
now
nope
your other competitor, well, friendly competitor, being a party, being a proposed candidate. What? No, you know, no mwenda kuzana chinga PFF umwako.
Ogwe yakuruga. Omsigazo akasinga Minister General arino muchome. So Uganda has had those records. It's on record.
Isolated cases.
206. Akariyo kwaterwa bamukwatira busega bajye nibabera kushoma kujya kumutamukwatira mbareka waho. We nominated him in prison. Yaruze. So twatwine
jone myaka 20.
Twatwine but history repeats itself.
So you are banking on history.
Ora history repeats itself. Twatwine ehanga erima abanyamururu. Bo kugira ngo bakwata abandi they would be competitors. Mukageta democracy mukese mana mukatene ngarabi ngwiyanga twino businji.
Amono turi kwenda kuza kwashira viri. Omwaka w'I2025 numwenda kuba analysts, numwenda kuba actors. Politically, what do you want to do?
I see.
What is possible for you?
But ati think what's your problem? The constitution is very clear. With or without a political party, one can contest.
Because no gabo yagira ngo akasigara kureba.
No gabo we no maybe abaro ya stinda bigambo mlongo. No ajira abantu ngamukaga kongana bashatu. But no cha kwa tukujimanya. Tukcha kwa tukujimanya. But as I wait
Johnny will come.
Atkore waseli jeto ne chipricha.
Johnny will come. Come na mare shire vile Johnny will come.
So bwana moderator, the constitution at least some binte bichiremere kwihamu nejo competition no were tari free and fair. Nicho kurebera mu parliament tu no the independence no bakugira ngo NRM leaning oba opposition leaning but there is a chance for but aho kutureba na kuturikiriza ikikumanya by March we shall have gotten a registered party.
Finally, Amon. Imwe numugamba civil action. Constitution ya Bahamani, government yakora kubi mwesharinge mugiyo. Ordinary basije abaremere kwiha umukoto masho mukatwara mu high court. Then umuhamta museve no state house.
You see,
akwana mujyango nakaruru tukakora no kukategereza, that is wastage of time.
You see, that's a good question. But thinking normally in an abnormal situation, and when the situation is abnormal period.
But you must think
So-
nobody all the time.
Okwiyaho abantu ekyo takuleba
Psychological.
no uretse ekyo
When
takumanya
you
bowazi
think normally all
uretse
the time.
bowazi ekyo takumanya
Eh.
no kumanya ngo gwo mwaka gwo mazire ningeje financial yiwa esaru hagati budget yawe yona ogikozero kujehoro okujeguzo all the 72 trillion plus n'obutabarwa bushatu obukuza kuservicinga amabanja ekyo takumanya no kumanya ngo ezishaha oriyo kushoza budget ekatingire 14 almost trillion zikumi na kurgansanzwe ne bizari yatano something atano mkaga. So do you think that is norm itself?
Ejo no obstacle are NRM na obstacle are.
NRM yonajamwa gashumaga bere kwiba 72 trillion.
NRM ejo nejeta no mo progress.
You may call it that way.
No, I want to remind you, even the previous budget we had 52, it was extended 70.
You see,
this one at 57,
you see, embera kwe kubambi abanyankore no bacefumu ngutufa mutima enjeri yo nesa otumchara yaratubiyana.
Thank you.
So keep on mukuja numuza kongera numuza kurugoni mweyongera nimwe mukugenderamo mwebana muno
Vile 2025 nuhoro kwenda urukora arakuza kuburro mbandi nuhoro kwenda kwimuka kucira habandi in terms of actors mu mazina gabo na parties nuhoro kubasa kubora tukamurunda kabore cyo kwita political oblivion kanu harayake
Hakuno reba kakabura kumuzwa bamke kwibirana neta. Icyo kisanga bano uriye cyawe kikaki kisanja kuna muchezo. Unkate kile kisanja kwa kweta tama igenda.
Neja mutende.
So President Museveni mani waza kurgon kumishomero.
Muhoza ize musiburishe ngubira mukaga.
Wanobera nkayishomero abo kwanyuka bawowe kugoyinkinga secondary school ko gubita. Menu angabavuga rimwe nkatandika kare ngabahunga assistant head boy na babado mu captain na baho yese prefect
shango ne
so
ishome
omulinkinga aninkinga secondary school in Kenya district so
wabuzo mutuma mu rungene naga gumuza kugodfa
onabira misha tuwabuza mutima mu rungikiyeyo
gumuza kugodfa
wabona ko nabantu none wenda usige bizina izina hamwe umuntu wabona ukora ku bintu none ndasige biribi ni usige runzi onga mu president Museveni kuko akorire Uganda ko yahire Uganda ndikateka umutima gona ndasigeho izina eri Uganda yagumene manyangu Museveni akategeka kurugakina na mukaga kuza 2020 obasha tunagumu umuyeyo obwire akategeka
yo nondagarikire ryari
Museveni kumibira mukaga ko yagande abako ni boss wanye ni umuntu wa inaye
for information nakatandika kushaba last time of office 201
okabe nondagarikire ryari yo
agari
okabe nondategeke kukoma ryari
Museveni ato obwiro ato bwaru kunagamba ntamegenda nyenda ategekeje deneje atwe peaceful transition na nanyuma
mwaka cyogo tugamba ari ashatu na mukaga na ashatu na gumu
abo kuba urude ikintu cyeya nakora ki arumuna kitereza je wanebana kwata CDF abantu babasagamba mwago wa CDF yakumtabani konkawe we tarinka nanke politics za president kuko akumanya politics twakugira ngo we nakiriye cyo kugira ngo mutabani yamuho wa CDF
na baherzo kubasa
umuntu uri kubasa nicyo kintu gabanya Uganda utare umuntu yangu ya leta sente ya pasente ngo amutera karubi to kwetarakora rebo umuntu wo kubasa gukora ki kupre yangu naza kwetemberaje nawe kwa yabatakwire sente kuko yakwiremberaje
yaba nabasa onkari yo mutabani okache hahota kugira ngo icyo butabani cyo cyayibembera
icyecho abanyuganda nibo busharama kandi ntegateka abanyuganda twina amagezi akubasa abo kuba Uganda turibizi
Egomuza mugo dufo
nago kari abanyuganda ngato wapuruta kaje ngutakubasa
abanyarwanda ni benshi
abanyarwanda ni bingi bishara mu cyo cyo kurera abantu umuntu yatakwenda n'umuntu
ubu bashazira muri ryari
hona rero kahonda gasinga meja gendero kahinda tafiya y'umucondo
captain akasinga general captain atari na senior officer
azari na retired
so which means in the chief janta abanyarwanda ntibashana icyo kureba abandi abanyarwanda bwa mangu ha president Museveni ari so mutabana cyo ni kimwe cyo no mind gamba president Museveni akopenda
so mutabana wawe
peaceful transition arebire ubasakwate bihanga kagumo musinde kagumo freedom eyituruma boko nakira naganitoma
ahabwenshi abaye nari mukumukwa n'umugamba mutakwereka ngo nupu nari cyaguranye n'umuntu wa mani konka mwako actinga aho mworeka ngo wa mani mudiporoyinga amahego na mudiporoyinga abapolisi ubona konko mu analysis yanyu kandi narimo tumukumureba nka threat tumukumureba nka issue aho kandi narimo mureba amazima
nawe ni ndeba president wanu ona Robert Kyagulanyi Mr. Bobi Wine
omuhurire yagamba ngo nanda kwesimba
naenda kuija mukaruna naenda kwesimba
and you are panicking
atuganye ngo munyeto nywe ni ndeba Bobi Wine tari serious nabasa kubona yes abasa kugira ngo naenda kwesimba
how do you measure seriousness
abo ko yine ni kumfollowinga abo ni kuna na music kare na hapo speech zaini banye nampore byagana kunka wareba ngo ibo waza kuronda karuru kawe urutororo runoronda karuru unguye bo bwambe byawo ibara turero bakakura karuru uruno wikayo ngo baragambe mutwana wa president n'ikigwagwa president yawuzire tayine magezi so tukwegamba hunkiwe muri so atinija hangatanga futera Mr. Amon nibantine nimba
nobrama John inicho ndagamba PFF nienda kubuza then anwaga bamubuze ikibuzo cye then edakika nk'ibiri then tuje turi kwendera
hati PFF banywana banje bana bagitandikire
kandi bajya muri promote
bashyikire 100% kugitandika
urira ishwa
electoral commission egwi kandi egwirire kimwe kubekerero nari yenda kugira mesa kujandikisa because no kugira mesa nibasokora abo mu other registered parties and they take up leadership hatu no wasis obwiranye ndastohireho intention teri yoktara bo bembezi indeed politics na karu nganje na Dr. Kiza Besije are sure and his conviction is akaruru tukapuntwara ndembe
ngakano wa NRA
that one hino and by the way nyo abantu bitu ba NRA abandi nyo my also host some show halo abandi unkospiti mu ngabinga complete aba kuja bakatanuka gambe bimbarato Besije tene magezi maya Bobo Wine how do you say Besije tene magezi Besije is highly intelligent. This young man here you see in Magere is highly intelligent. In this bad economy, bintu bye byabena akozesa mu music at a very young age at 25 akaine navuga motoko ya kuvuga president wa America is correct. Kuvuga motoko 2005 2004 atibire kintu cyo umuntu cyo natine kuri mena record
atibire gold ko
almagere eine yenzu nekera ba president abandi you can't say that person is stupid ubiyagire kuserera quality yo mukazi yajya ntungamo yacoko mukazi yahayo mukazi ukora ko ngo material how do you say that person is stupid is you who is stupid so no so ko mtakwicarana na politics ze but you cannot say mtene magezi now basically na amanya ngo ina abana b'abantu akabeho mu institutions akabeho mbyaro yabeho mu ntocho ko bacumba amarwa za rwampara yabeto mu politics abandi bamuguma hehi abandi baba bakansara abandi baba baje mbinde bajyamo FDC has disintegrated techibaha card na stamp ko stamp gira nomination form
but we don't want that stamp of
techibaha stamp abantu abaronda bagiye the same Jews, the Rukwagos, the Mujiches. If you are their leader, and indeed they have been looking up to you, what did you do? Do you fold your hands ugire uti mugende aha murajya ruha nga DP ko yakoze abandi bakajya abandi bakizo witoye narebo abandi bakajya mu what do you do? You create a vehicle that will maintain their jobs because first of all their status yaba abantu ihindukire hata nabo nibasomeseza aheru hata nabo basomeseza Kampala parents hata noja gambira mu iduke ngugaraka hacyaro buhondo otumbe waragi no so what you do you reserve their employment which is parliament
kachaka kanyeba PFF hariho amakuru gobsa sagare gakorabamo konkagabire gakiriyo ku za Tiriyandongo za master part za Masindi kugira ngo electoral commission registrars bari okutambura n'abantu aba security bakangakanga abasainingire abapapa.
That's unfortunate.
So ntana jango electoral commission eri test.
Thank you.
Either etsite
hecero ngitu no muramuze nonagaba abanye byabakamo nonagaba abanye Uganda
no karara police jwere bakarangira bamwine yorokamu nguyatwara umukamo akarara had VIP I called his driver kadara atundeka bojo atumgusa kufi
ariko bamwina ka
not kuja unaanza kwaba competition
our immediate principal
from onargo waba
nogaba abanye Uganda ko Uganda intebe ya MP bona baragayo buri intebe abantu babiri bashatu hamwe n'inkabatanu turi unatumukunda ndakwese mbaba MP
wa municipality yego mutsapotive
how come aharengo rwa president tina kurebayo ba antu bashomere bine PhD ba message myako how come tubakwenda kwese mbaba president wa Uganda kurabira mu NRM experience bakagaininga yakeje yonki
ombantu bona echo wachuguza muwagaba
evuzo byanye tubereho izina tubereho kara
harumu kweko bana no but he knows your opinion on that why does he ask you this
I don't know I don't know his opinion
I'll answer that.
I don't know anybody's opinion on program age.
But need to make sense.
Yes.
Ninaka twaje kinijuka kaira usikukuru. Kamwana wanje ukunda ona yofraka tunema. Abera complaining na social media. Around 1990 something zexcellence akija kuije sabana ba secondaries ekwate na HIV
and AIDS.
Kacheka.
Pastor arakacheka. Kandi mu byaro. Atagama kingo wabakazo sekere bija bayichupayinga pavilion ngabambara hayi na ntare bija bagechi babi hamuna master
banyura n'umushomesa interview ngagireye
uzo umuntu wakazo sekere nabasa tapike kecheka kwa baraya shukura kwa pavilion hata ni minister kana wa bara high school naja kuja mpostiwa sekonserra karu taka chimo jengo na hato already akaja obis tuende tugane kahi kache abamba high school na tare na ka stinda kweta kwitizwa kushitamo
kandi tumwebaza kajyango cyo cyamtamisa mashomera akajyango akamutamu
ngogo oyargire kazo nuye appointingire owambara high school deputy RDC
izo nimbo zao
owambara high school akakaine murugo owakazo yabo wa deputy
akaine god fan bali akaine god fan
anyway that's the job His Excellency the President imyaka yamaze no muri minsi no kupretendinga kuteka ho bwa presidential elections biyo mwashomire
president takupretendinga nuwe found
the command of the law
that is the law na president taka pretending and fountain of honor he cannot pretend
I know that he is very good excellent in many things sichote ateone ngute mahana tembi ati sirepidi yamwe abantu bakwata million bakaba takagire baga wachenga I know my achievements but I also know ngapate na presidential elections he is a pretender of no mean proportions
na pretendinga kuzomkarubu ndakumanye ngo natekwa kasinga tokasa kuzombigezo nitekwa kasinga
arugora no bimaze ukozere revision ukozere prep na winter
John amon noga monyerede kikazawe
umwongere hemu
so atwa presentation
actually umuganda nakagamba ngo kuba wonywao
ba president democracy ituma turumu mbabageta gun point democracy
yes
ako gaba nakana ndoga president ora kajono gukwa kundo kutetwa
ngata katigamba
atano na mkaga ni nyumba
kanda
waje kukarura yo boycott
semyoga zobe mbamutuma bamuhereza mu gihe rutwari bari bataka kujya ngo akazigeze myo so yo ni ngira ngo talent tugamba twigire sese nishoge president Museveni yabakiriye mu Uganda umwacuriye akatarunga ku abwenge starunga hawo so kwaracuriye utekitega bibente bya
Thank you.
Uganda rabi Dr. Best nyina kwaba bezi ba amona tora shayingala n'abagumi
but they have very fake lawyers
PFF n'abagumi na FDC n'abagumi na icobaza cyo Dr. Best ashero byo gono kwara rwo mico
yes
obasaba bi obangereke obatoroka mu konga shoro yo kwara
obagamba na sale
icyakari besije tukagira mutakwasa kwa president ungata kura takwasa kura mukabu besije hata yakayaza kwa president na ishaka titokero twa
ahamba game
loma tukhamba hata ile kapasi na ije compromise
okay
hati doreba kakurikiriza ka video aka audio
ombugufu mno wagabugraje
kakurikiriza aka audio ka airport wa na announcing the government you got the beer I'm with you in the studios of Radio Uganda. My name is Kano Airport wa the government of Uganda has been overthrown nagara kana kurikiriza kanda ka audio aka titokero kwa akaje while in Guru I hear phone njuru I tell what they say Obote is run away come be president so Dr. Best
njuru ni simu ringinga na
ringi makameta maneno president Dr. Best ya
akore njuru
na president
kandi njuru haro wali mbuya utuino wali
anake abaho pictures ari muyanga hata bacheza baje kunkashora tware no kwa Dr. Best job akakora contribution yawo
ogun Raila Odinga Promax
bamweta aba president kwa kebyo ya unako ngo
halo komba
Amon katuhendere na cha
this is Raila Odinga
his appearance is on Tuesday next week nwagaba yahereza mu magezi umuto buri bwana bese yari gumuchomi he can't help anything yari umuchomi
but you can't do that with the cheese iron is going there to abuse everyone
low council nesta mamande kureba umukushaba kwa Mathagaro what is your game plan for him tuhendere n'icyo mudashikemo
yeah you see ebya Uganda byona bigarukira mu tests
byona bigumire
hariho umushobozi umwana wanjye nakira kumpa free hand information so hakiri mu ngaro za Law Council kutekateka beyond their stomachs and their nostrils
Mathagaro cyakoza koza bese ikiri kwa gata kumanya
but niwe nkakuzi umushaho
bituma mure
because bese je bakumukwatira Kenya kwa kutestaro nyine bamwikirize bese je akuza kwaterwa Kenya akagira bukuronki ya Mathagaro
that one is subjective
okay
so Mathagaro niwe biramwinvite
is that Mathagaro is a possible witness
okay Hendera
how do you become a witness and also counsel
Hendera
but the reasons they gave were not that.
No, the reason
the Law Council gave Zokulemesa Mathagaro were not those.
Look at the Elias Lukwago akakosa email ya KCC, a government entity. How how
I mean
that? But who does that?
To make a private application.
But if you
a private business
so
commercial application and use a government arm
So,
does that?
but efireto mani ko kubago.
Washigamba.
Si efireto niko kubago.
Very good.
So efireto Uganda. No, Uganda efireto ne bagwet because entities no kura Johnny Weke nyine yagambye. Ngo mukama we CD actually no wakagamba. Ngo mukama we CDF azire ngo ebyagamba byona bebiro stamp naki? Hati stamp na social media nezo stamp. Baretse na social media nezo stamp. Hati WhatsApp nezo stamp. So finally no gambara abaturekereza na no conveyinga message ya Dr. Besigye. Ohireme cyo kuba muchome.
Thank you.
Is physical, I mean amagarati mabi kandi nabendeze umwaka murungi.
Thank you.
Mwebare mno.
Godfrey Hendera mudakika emwe na no butahika.
Nipendera nisima
President Museveni.
Abo kumpogo mugisha.
Noga bajya kwihahari.
Ngaruka.
Bo argahare.
Kinga.
Ngaruka nsimana ni abafano.
Wajete yakinga.
Kuteyo. Shanga niyo umuntu mwenda gukora ki? Kumfuza. Shanga we. So nija hatumatira munonga.
Wanaenda tukutere.
Babare mu. Sibara abantu.
Sibara abantu bona abantu batureba. Kugera mu 2025 primary elections.
Nendo bwa cancer.
Nendo bwa cancer yo C5.
Kare. Aza nchakare honorable Thomas Taibo yakuyambuka bara DC. Ukavugana Junu, ukavugana Amon, ukavugana bakajya mutamashuta. Zaba utware hariyo bahamashitaga imutwara mu kuba kumara kubaji abo shutoka bare bago oyo bwizo bova imbakureka ngo ugambe. Echo cyanje wagamba ha nuwakigamba rukuzana konka share mu point nkuru. Social media koraga yona prank ngo former principal judge bamwinengo yaba chairman electoral commission bikaba bitakiri tebeka barakutini sori mu office tugamba tango doi contract mu kagero ni wenga chairman wa electoral commission
no najya kore nunga obuno mwaka I think March or April
jeno kai hora kabugana president biro kebiri biro 30
no muhara
no
mukazuwe
kandi bakakira koza nkara president araga yara unshayita mukanya
they were 4.
So what did they talk about?
Kan kandi official president ka posting uba meeting konka no birigireyo yabera mu makaje kisoro bajana banje abamwe abayabera isere celebrating nabyo new year president stira akamugamba na birundega
asu
on phone so
omisho gabantu
no one abantu akabese akayesera abantu mukaye president yamutera yajarwa yagamba na
so atango do ina akora tango do ina akora timu matine contract
no ni manisa contract ile wayo kwa akasatu ku mwaka guno so possibly either bajya kumongera ubundi batakonda but outcry iri mu parliament na Abraham habukuba fiye yerum nabo abayayambire kwa card kwa flag nabo bonka na batina habukuba bamangu the highest bidder this time may take it now
Sebrabant
akakwenda kusibura nako ima balo council allow masakaruwa mumukirize ebya witness you have not notified her that she is going to be a state witness na state witness no bugame bwo kwiza kwikiriza na rukwanga so baragire ngo naenda ko bapati
she can be defense witness
ko warayizi izire kwanga mimi naenda
but nukumuna taramule biromanyi
that's one but our lawyer babesigi
kari
please use sober laws leka ndo mukamera hati sana zoro get your friends out of this case, get professionals, get sober minds, get the Dusman Kagagas, get the Kalebalakas, get any other person, any sober mind. Ukwago and Chizeron make kuja kutera push up no kujuma abantu bari mu bara which kind of stupidity is that? Who does that?
Or mnonga Marco Dusman gatoka mureta koza ibi ya politics ebyo is a criminal lawyer
which is a lesson to men not because I'm happy about it but is a lesson hatu no reba umwaka gwe 2005 na yike kazi yo mbintu bya state house natunga chance nagira emirimo y'inayambaho wabirari
chief political commissar wa UPDF which tin sajeno kareki aleni wa akachira kano kano kareki hat nyu kareki urun kumana kuyabe banaza kubwira president akana shikamari ukero house kwa barakubwira president umwaje shana emwe enkito akaitaka kugitera umbazi umukasheshe. I have never met a person as loyal to His Excellency the President as Kareki. And he will not the government supports. Na hatinka mbinu mtu unashanja loyal.
Niyo na kucheza niyo.
No, but is a boycott.
Nyowe ndiko yakoya gokubananye. Okwa kumtwaza kwe kumtwaza.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Akawa so close. Akari military assistant in addition to being political commissar or UPDF akari military assistant of president. Occasion zone zinareba kuza kugana nyemeka. Mazoba kamba ningamanya mushaka atakafutera ifite mukashishi. It was a very important day. Numabana batawo bategeze Christmas.
Hendera mwaga.
Ko yabiri atwaza meeting to His Excellency the President. Kandi bakaba bugana tinu wabira kimanya.
Okay.
Ko kati kushanga Western Sakare kihora. Aza kugana Western Sa President. Ngwesi yona neza kuchimanya it makes news. Ebintu kamihinduka bojo.
Thank you.
Omwaka mulungi.
Wabare nwagaba okutaira, wabare Godfrey.
Ijo conclusion kayabaka.
Wabare Amoni okutaira, wabare Johnny, wabare
Skype Twitter okutana ku mwaka.
Tureba, wabare agabasezi okutureba namwe nabatiri omukashikeri izoba. Twatwine mu buzubuzu omu sound naba zuku tushutu mwamta kutureba ji nareba vice chairman wakazo mwami ntongere Fred yanda kutureba konka sigino yeta nonje azuku konka nza kutereza next time amaraka gabeje byone za kubana byenda kurunye nabandi Boaz wa Mongolia togarake tano rwa mukaga isabiteri kujene nijo topic ya mani nza kubendeza okusiba kurunji Sky TV nirakari abantu
ebiti biteekateko bya TVG kureka ne by'abantu buntu.